We have a list of countries and car brands and ask to indicate in the status column whether each country's matches. If it matches, the answer should be true. If it doesn't match, it should be false. We need to match the data against this reference table. So let's see how we can do this. We'll type the match function here. For the lookup_value, we select the country range, then use the ampersand symbol, and then the car brand range. Next, for the lookup_array, we do the same. First the country range, ampersand, then the car brand range. For the match_type, we use 0 for an exact match, close the bracket, and hit enter. Now, we see some numbers and error codes. Since we want the answer in true and false format, we will add the ISNUMBER function to the formula. Close the bracket and hit enter. Now you have your true and false results. Wherever the car brand is incorrect, it shows false.